Random orbital sanders are efficient and versatile choices for sanding, shaping, finishing, and buffing a wide range of workpiece materials. This video will walk you through the basics of different types of sanders, their uses, and potential applications. The following video will discuss some of the most popular random orbital sanders currently on the market. So let's go to start. Number 1. Any DIYers, woodworkers, or cabinet makers, professional or weekend warrior, should check out the DeWalt cordless variable speed random orbital sander. This 5 inches cordless sander features a compact design for ease of use as well as variable speeds between 8,000 and 12,000 ohm for controlling aggressiveness on different surfaces. It also features a one-handed locking dust bag that allows the user to empty it fuss-free. This sander utilizes 5 inches 8-hole hook and loop sanding discs, allowing for quick changes between grits or when one pad runs out. While this particular model doesn't come with a battery or a charger, it's compatible with the brand's 20V Max battery lineup. This allows users already invested in DeWalt tools to take advantage of their stock of batteries. During our evaluation, the DeWalt cordless random orbital sander performed admirably. This model comes with DeWalt's collared dust bag, which is quick to empty and easy to pull on and off owing to a coiled spring within. We really loved how small and light this model was while still having a lot of power when needed. The rubber shroud surrounding the disc on our model was loose and rubbed the disc, but it only took a little fumbling to get it back in place after usage, and it was also fairly smooth. Number 2. The variable speed Makita 5-inch random orbit sander is worthwhile to take a look at when electrical outlets are hard to come by or when free range of motion is required to finish a project. With a 5.0 amp-hour battery, this sander can run for up to 65 minutes at low speed and 32 minutes at high speed using the brand's 18-volt batteries. Additionally, a charger and a carrying bag are included. 3 speeds can be adjusted on this sander: 7,000, 9,500, and 11,000 ohm. It doesn't have a second handle, but it is small enough to be used with one hand. Additionally, this model employs hook and loop 5 inches 8-hole sanding discs and includes a dust collection bag. While evaluating the Makita, we discovered a few things. The smoothness of it was the first thing we noticed, making it the smoothest cordless model. We did see that it is rather taller than the rest, though. The button's odd markings, off is 0, while on, speed change is 1, 2, 3, also caused us some confusion. While that made changing the tempo simple, turning it off was challenging. We did appreciate, though, how the dust bag was simple to remove and didn't blast dust everywhere like some other models did. Number 3. Check out the Bosch 5-inch random orbital sander, polisher for light-duty sanding with a simple-to-use palm sander. With its corded style and 2.5 amp motor, this device offers customers constant power without requiring them to monitor battery life. It includes a dust collection cartridge and a built-in test port for connecting a vacuum. This Bosch model has a lot of functionality and a compact design. Users can select the ideal speed for the project thanks to its changeable speeds between 7,500 and 12,000 ohm. Although compact, it uses 5 inches hook and loop sanding discs for a lot of surface area and quick adjustments in the middle of a project. There are several positive aspects of this Bosch sander. The dust bag is the most amazing component, so let's start there. The dust collection bag on this model has a real pleated air filter that traps dust particles while letting air pass through. Additionally, it separates quickly and cleanly without creating a cloud of dust. We also appreciate the reasonable pricing, which makes it a deal. Although it did seem a little heavier than other cordless devices, we enjoyed the soft rubber grip and how simple it was for users to switch speeds. Number 4. The Black + Decker 20V Max random orbital sander is difficult to top for cheap sanding. In addition to a charger, a 20-volt 1.5Ah lithium-ion battery and a retractable dust collection system are included with this 5-inch sander. It has a molded rubber grip for comfort and to lessen fatigue, and it weighs little more than 3 pounds. Hook and loop sanding discs are used by the Black + Decker random orbital sander, enabling users to simply swap out a worn disc. It only has 1 speed, which is relatively high, but users can adjust how quickly they're removing finish or sanding the surface by quickly switching out sanding discs. It was really difficult for us to dislike the Black + Decker 20V sander at the price. The dust collection bag could be a little lackluster and it might be a little weak, but everything else is perfect. Its size and weight are just right, and the grip is comfortable. For those reasons, it was one of the models that was the most comfortable to use during the vertical sanding test. It doesn't have variable speeds, but it certainly accomplishes the task. Number 5. The Chicago Pneumatic CP7200S Mini Random Orbital Sander makes sanding in small spaces simple. This 1.5-pound mini sander has a molded rubber trigger grip and a single speed. It is air-powered, so it requires a compressor to operate, but it can reach speeds of up to 15,000 ohm. The Chicago sander is intended for small areas and comes with interchangeable 2 inches and 3 inches backing pads as well as 60 sandpaper discs. The sander attaches to a standard 38 inches air compressor hose and comes with a molded plastic storage case. It also has a pistol grip. Using Chicago Pneumatics Mini Random Orbital Sander during our test was a lot of fun. First and foremost, the pistol grip was extremely comfortable, and because it's so light, it's comfortable to use for extended periods of time, even vertically. The dial on the back of the sander makes switching between 2 inches and 3 inches pads and changing speeds a breeze. The fact that it includes so many discs and a carrying case is a huge plus, but ours wouldn't fit back in the box with the hose adapter attached. I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.